Alright, so gonna be taking out this old Dexter doorknob. It's an old bath one. I'm gonna put a lock on there. So easiest way, just use a flat blade. Back out the screws. Don't need those. Now the way they did these on here, you gotta that comes off there. Same thing on this side. Forgot how much of a pain these things were. Yeah, I forgot. These have like a special place that you have to. You're gonna pretty much destroy the doorknob as you take it off. There's a release somewhere on here. I forget where the release is. I think it's maybe on this side. Aha! Turn the doorknob, there's a little... There you go. Looks like I should have done that on this one too. Alright. Now take the sleeve off. And throw that. I'm not gonna use that anymore. Stick this in here and pop that out. Okay, door's open now. So look for those releases first before you start taking off that cover. This is a locking one I'm putting in. No, that fits nice. I don't need that though. I'll use this one. Just remember, it goes the direction of your door there. I use the square one instead of this contoured one. There we go. Tap that in there a little bit, or it's a little bigger. Huh. That does not fit. Let me see if I can take that off. Nope. We have to make that a little bigger. Stop the video.